Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change username in Triller App. So for this, as you can see, we're on the Triller App right now. You're going to want to click on the bottom right hand corner where you see that little person icon. Then once you get to this page, you're going to want to click Edit Profile. Then that will bring you to the Edit Profile page where you're going to see your username right there. You're just going to want to click on the right hand side of that username there. Then you'll see like the keyboard come up. Then you're just going to want to type in whatever new name that you want. So I'm going to change mine from subscribe please 1 to subscribe please 2, just for the sake of this video. Then once you're done changing your name, you're going to want to click done on the top right hand corner. Then you'll see when it goes back onto your profile page, the name has changed at the top there. You'll see it change the at the top. So leave a like on the video if this did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see more how-to videos on the Triller app and more videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.